In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tool website using Replit. Replit is an excellent platform for building and hosting your web projects, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and experienced developers. From starting a new project to adding functionality and styling your site, I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can create a fully functional tool website. First, open your web browser and go to the Replit homepage. Here, you'll find a wide range of powerful tools and templates to kickstart your project. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the Explore More button. This will lead you to a selection of options designed to inspire and aid your development journey. Next, after you've explored a bit, navigate to the Developer Frameworks section. This area is where you'll find frameworks and templates tailored specifically for various types of web development projects. To proceed, you'll want to click on Websites. This template selection includes everything you'll need to build and deploy your own tool website. Now comes the decision-making part. Depending on the type of tool website you're aiming to create, it's essential to choose the right template. If you want something simple and less demanding on resources, go for the HTML, CSS, JS, static template. This is suited for less complex, manually updated websites. However, if your website needs to be dynamic, with real-time data updates or interactive components, the HTML, CSS, JS auto refresh option is perfect for you. For this video, let's continue with the HTML, CSS, JS auto refresh template. Select this option to set up an environment equipped for real-time interactivity and data handling. Once your template is ready, click on index.html to start structuring your tool. Here you can add the basic HTML needed for your site's layout and content. Moving forward, you'll want to enhance your tool by adding functionality. Switch to the script.js file to write the logic that will drive your website. This could involve interactive elements or other features impactful to your tool's purpose. Remember, the key to a useful tool is well-crafted JavaScript. Now that your tool is functional, let's make it visually appealing. Head over to style.css to customize the appearance of your website. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layout styles to ensure your site not only works well, but also looks fantastic. Finally, once everything is in place, it's time to run your website. Hit the Run button at the top of the Replit interface to launch your tool and see everything come to life. You can test out its functionalities and make any adjustments needed to perfect your project. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a tool website using Replit. With practice, you'll develop the skills to build even more complex and engaging web applications. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Happy